Hiya. In this new video, we're going to show you how to reset the service light on a VW Polo 2019. This vehicle is 1 liter, but for all engines works absolutely same. Okay, to reset the service light, ignition switch has to be off, and you need to press and hold on this left button on the dashboard. Okay, so you have to press and hold and then turn the ignition on. I have to put the camera down. Press and hold, the reset service light will appear. Release the button, and then the right side 0 button, you need to press once. The service interval reset. It's all done, simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.